Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number 11, Houses We Live In. In this chapter, we talk about the different types of houses and some special houses. Okay? So, before starting this chapter, can anybody tell me that what is a house? Okay, I tell you. So, house is a building in which we can live with our parents, siblings, grandfather, okay, means grandparents, okay. So, these all makes a house with our family, okay. So, house also protect us from heat, cold, rain, snow, animal and thieves. Mainly a house give us a shelter to live and protect them from different activities. Okay. So now let's observe the picture that given on page number first. Color the picture and answer the questions that follow. So first is I am a dash house. So after observing the picture we can see that the house is very big. Okay. So the answer is I am a big house. Second, I am a dash house. Okay. So as we observe that the house is a pakka house. Okay. I am a pakka house. After that, name some of the rooms that are mostly present in a house. So we can also live in a house, okay, and there are many rooms. So you have just given a name some rooms and we can write it. Okay, first one is bedroom, okay, living room, drawing room, kitchen also, okay. So we can write any 3 rooms from our houses, okay. So we all know that house we can live in a house with our family, and house protect us from heat, cold, rain, snow, animals and thieves. Means house protect us from a natural calamities, okay, as well as human calamities, okay. Now we talk about the different types of houses. So mainly we talk about 2 types of houses. First one is kacha house and the second is pakka house. Okay, as the name suggests that kacha house. So kacha house contains a mud, wood and stick to make. Okay, so these house having a roofs made of straw, that roofs are known as a thatched roof. Okay, means a roof that are made from a straw are known as a thatched roof. These houses are very weak and can get damaged due to heavy rain and storms. So why these houses are so weak? Because they are mostly made up from the natural materials. Okay, natural materials from means wood from trees, okay, branches of trees, leaves from trees, okay, different. So that's why this house is very weak, because the material used for making kacha house is very light in weight. Okay, so it can also damaged when a strong wind is blowing, okay, or when a very heavy rainfall occurs. Second one is pakka house. So pakka house is made up of man-made items. Man-made items means that are made by a man. For example, bricks, steels, cement and stone. Okay, examples of a pakka house: a bungalow, skyscrapers and a apartment block are some examples of pakka houses. Nowadays we are living in a pakka house, okay, but in previous time periods our grandfathers lives in a most of them lives in a kacha house, okay. So pakka houses are very strong and do not get damaged easily by the heavy rain, storms or any natural disaster, okay. Now we talk about the special houses. So first special house is houseboat, okay. These are the houses that are found in some special places or at tourist places, okay. So first one is houseboat. Some people live in houseboats. It is a boat that mostly stays in one place on water, as the name suggests that boat, okay. Boat can जो बोट होती है वो किस में रहती है, पानी में, ठीक है. तो जो बोट के ऊपर हाउस होगा तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, हाउस बोट, ओके. सो इट इज़ अ बोट दैट मोस्टली स्टेज इन वन प्लेस ऑन वाटर, ओके. Second is stilt houses. So what is a stilt houses? So stilt houses are formed where a lot of rain is come, okay. So that houses are made on poles or stakes called stilts. As you can see in this picture very carefully that the house is standing on the wooden जो यहाँ पे आपको हाउसेस दिखाई दे रहे हैं तो वो किन के ऊपर हैं, लकड़ी के डंडे, ठीक है. उनके ऊपर वो जो हाउस है वो स्टे किया हुआ है, ठीक है. तो उन लकड़ी के डंडों को हम क्या कहते हैं, स्टिल्ट्स, ओके. सो दैट्स व्हाई अ हाउस इज नोन एज अ स्टिल्ट हाउस, ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज इग्लूज. So igloos are mainly found in icy places. Icy places means where a place where receives a lot of ice throughout the year, okay. So people also make houses from blocks of ice. That houses is known as a igloos. Next is permanent house. Permanent houses means which cannot move from one place to another. It can stay only at a particular place. So houses that cannot be shifted from one place to another are known as permanent houses. Oh, okay. And the temporary houses are opposite to the permanent houses. So temporary houses can move from one place to another place according to their willing, okay. So there are some houses that can be moved from one place to another. They are called temporary houses, okay. For example, a tent and a caravan are examples of a temporary house. So you can observe the pictures of tent, okay. So we can use a tent when we are going as a tourist to some places. For example, when we are going to Goa or when we are going for a forest riding, okay. So we can make our house anywhere by putting a tent at a particular place, okay. Next one is a caravan. So caravan is a house that can move from one place to another place. Means within a one bus the all requirements of a house is present. So here you can see that a car pulling a trolley behind it, okay. So that trolley contains the all requirements that are required in a houses, bedrooms, kitchen also, okay, washroom also. So that are known as a caravan. Last one, most houses have a flat roof. However, houses on the mountains have a sloping roof. स्लोपिंग रूफ मीन्स जैसे आप यहाँ पे इसको देख रहे हो, ठीक है. तो इसकी जो रूफ हैं वो टेढ़ी होती हैं. टेढ़ी मीन्स थोड़ी सी टिल्ट होंगी, ठीक है. जिससे क्या है अगर रेन आती है, बारिश आती है, तो उसका पानी है जो रूफ़ के ऊपर ना खड़ा रहे, ठीक है, जो बर्फ़ हो तो बर्फ़ उसके ऊपर ना खड़ी रहे, ठीक है। तो उसकी वजह से हम माउंटेन एरियाज़ में मोस्टली जो हाउसेस हैं उनकी जो रूफ्स हैं उनको टिल्ट बनाते हैं, ठीक है। क्यों बनाते हैं? बिकॉज माउंटेन एरियाज रिसीव मोर रेनफॉल एंड स्नोफॉल एज कंपेयर टू द प्लेन एरियाज, ओके। So Rajay, this is all about our chapter. Now we can recall. So first is a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, snow and thieves also. After that we talk about the two types of houses. That one is kacha house and pakka house. Now we talk about the special type of houses in which we can read about a houseboat, caravan, igloo, slit houses, okay. After that we can discuss about permanent houses and temporary houses, okay. So I hope you will understand this chapter very well, okay. So after watching this video you try to solve the back exercise question number A, okay. Name the following. So you have to try and fill it on your books, so we can discuss these questions in our Zoom sessions, okay. So thank you and have a nice day.